What's going on, guys? So I just wanted to show you another client who's crushing it. So they're about 30 days into their campaign. This is a home renovation client, meaning they offer stonework, masonry work, home renovation, bathrooms, kitchens, etc. And so we're generating leads primarily through Meta right now. And so you can see that they have leads coming in. Once the leads come in, there is a communication that gets sent out to every single lead. So if we click on it, you'll see that leads will get automations. Once they reply to the automations, you can see how many automations it took for him to finally reply, right? And then right when he replied, he gave all of his requirements, and he wanted a kitchen and bar layout. This is his address, etc. All the details, and then they were quoted. And they're now, in the works. So that's more of a recent one. But then you can see first contact held. There's many of them didn't respond because that's how Meta is. You're going to have to sift through a bunch of leads that just aren't ready to move forward or don't respond or whatever it is. So we just stack them all here, and what we do is we throw them through a reactivation campaign down the line. So right now we're going to give them a breather, maybe 30 to 60 days, and then throw them through a reactivation sequence. But this is still the beginning stage of this campaign. He has 2 additional deals in progress. One already submitted a deposit for the measurements and is being quoted. Same with the other one being quoted. And then there's 9 deals that were closed. Which is nice, right? And so the deal values can, obviously are ranging for this type of client, but deal values range from like 5K on the low end to 25K on the high end. So that's why you're seeing all these 9 leads here that closed. It's a very happy moment for the client. They did sift through a bunch of leads to close those 9 deals, but that's the nature of Meta. So when you spend a couple $1,000s a month, on ad spend and on running Facebook ads, you are going to get a really strong result, but you have to have someone on the team, either yourself or someone on your team, to be able to sift through these leads, call them, qualify them, check the inbox, constantly text, constantly email, constantly activate, constantly ask questions, ask for replies, look for replies, give them calls again, follow up, send quotes, right? You need to be like working the leads, right? They're not just going to magically pay. You have to work the leads. You have to care about the leads, introduce yourself, make a friendship with the leads, and build a relationship with them, and ultimately, get the close, get the sale. And that's what a client should be doing. So this is an example of a home renovation client who's doing the exact same thing that we're telling you guys to do. It's just work with us. We'll bring you a bunch of leads. You close those leads, and it's as simple as just working through the numbers, and you'll get really good results. So the key to this home renovation campaign was really just high quality creative of before and after videos of their projects, as well as we did an intake process that's pretty awesome. I mean, it's pretty lengthy, the sign up process, so it goes through a series of questions. In which case they fill all those details about budget, about where they're coming from, etc., what their address is. They provide all those details in the survey, and then from there, they'll be called by someone on their team. So simple as that. If you guys, are looking for advertising, if you're looking for a dedicated partner that knows what they're doing as it relates to acquiring home renovation leads and clients, bathrooms, kitchens, pools, gazebos, pergolas, decks, interlocking, masonry, landscaping, roofing, insulation, quite literally anything, waterproofing. We can help you guys with all of it. Home renovation leads is a very specific approach. So, construction and contractor and all these types of leads are very specific. You have to have a very specific approach. You can't just do it the basic way. There's a very advanced way that you need to, pursue, and we know that strategy very well, and that's why you're seeing results like this. So if you're not closing, an additional 3 to 10 projects a month in your business, then clearly something's broken and we need to fix it. So all you gotta do is click the link below, or just get in touch with us. You can go on our website, variancemarketing.com, get in touch with us, and we'll sort you out, okay? So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Cheers.